met you in Houston, but you're from Atlanta. New York from Pennsylvania, something. Fuck, all I know is you hot and you know this.
What's up, guys? Okay, today we're back with another one. Today I got a surprise that, today we're gonna do the iPhone 15 unboxing. So first we're gonna start out by opening the phone up and stuff. And here's the phone. Oh, it's so cute. Look, it's so cute. I got blue. Y'all, this crap is so cute. Yo, oh my god. So we got this. It comes with the, gotta put this down slowly. It comes with the stickers and stuff. The sticker, not the SIM card thing, because my phone is already activated, so I don't need a SIM card. I don't need a SIM card to set up, so I got the sticker. It can fit an iPhone 12 case. So I got it actually on my phone, but I'm using another one. Then I'm gonna switch it back to the one I'm using on my phone. So the one I had now before I got the new one. So here's the iPhone cords. So the iPhone cords are really different now. So it's like, these are the new iPhone cords. It's like a little, I don't know if y'all can see it. It's like a little like, the cords are different now, I'd say. Charge your phone. So, yeah, I don't think it's nothing else with it. I think that's just it. So, first, I'm gonna start off with, I got a screen protector that I had bought, and it got the little pad in here. It should. Let me see. Is this it? What is this? Is this it? I'm tripping. I don't think it has it, but I have electronic wipes, but I don't think I'll get one from over there to wipe off the phone. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna stick the sticker back in. Okay. I thought they usually had a little thing where you can use the sticker to like get this stuff off. I guess not. So I'm gonna go over here, run over here and get the electronic wipes. I usually have Windex electronic wipes, and they like wipes off phones, cell phones, and everything. So we're gonna wipe off the phone and actually, oops, I done took all the wipes out. I feel so retarded. But we're gonna wipe the phone off and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna put it inside my old iPhone 12 case, which is on this phone right here that I'm using to film. Oops, I'm so sorry. It's on a lamp right now. Okay, so we're gonna wipe the phone off. Oops, something got on it. What is this? What the heck is this on my phone? Yeah, so we're gonna wipe it off. I don't know what that was that got on my phone, low key. So we're just gonna wipe it. I wonder if wait, this is glass. I think it's glass, is it? It should be glass, I think. I don't know if it's still glass or not. I can't. It just feels like a normal phone, like the 7 Plus or something. It might be glass. I might be tripping, but okay. So after that, I got the screen protector. I had to run and go get it real quick because... Okay, so we're going to peel this off. Phew. And we're going to stick it on here. We had to make sure this crap fit. Because I was in there trying to see which one is which. Okay. So we got the screen protector on here. Now it's time to power on the phone. If it's not dead, oh my god. Oh my god. This is just... I actually bought 2 screen protectors, but... Yo, this is so cool. I'm gonna put it inside the case now. Because, it's so beautiful, y'all. So beautiful. I got blue. Okay, so here's the hint. It do fit an iPhone 12 case because this is an iPhone 12 case that I usually had. It fits, but the port is different when you hit the audio and stuff, the power button. Well, you can still use it, but it just feel weird. I think because I got all this stuff in the back of my case, but I always keep my driver's license and stuff in there, so I might change it though. Okay, so we can switch my phone over now. So we're gonna type English, United States. We're just gonna do the default. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I had to speed up the process, but we're in and stuff. We're in, and then I'm just like fixing stuff up. Cause like, I don't know why Apple like install all these apps. Like, I don't be using most of these apps that they install. So like, I like installing them all for my phone and installing the apps that I want on here. So that's what I'm doing now. We gotta see how good their quality is, cause ooh wee, yeah, this quality is so cute. I don't know why I say cute. Okay, so y'all, they got the movie. They got like time lapse, slow mo, cinematic, video, photo, portrait. It's something called panel. So it's actually nice though. The portrait mode is nice. Y'all know this quality got to be A1. Like, so I got wallet and everything on here that I use. I don't know why they got clips on here. I don't use that. I don't really use the Apple Store like that, but I keep it on there. They got tips. I keep that on there. iTunes Store. I really don't use iTunes. I don't use iTunes like that. Shortcuts I sometimes use, not like that. So I keep that on there. They got like all kinds of stuff on here. Not they got Compass. I don't use that. I don't use Measure. I don't use Voice. Well, Voice Memos, I keep that on there. Because I sometimes use that, but... Okay, they got my messages. Y'all, my contacts are here, but stuff is not loading. Let me see, do they got my contacts on here? Okay, so all my contacts are on here. I'm just gonna copy it and send it to everybody. Okay, so they got my old contacts on here. Okay, I don't know who all these people is. Oh, so they got old numbers, like from my iCloud. Somebody just delete them and just start over. Y'all, like, it's so bad. Like, okay, they uploaded your contacts, but it's like you just looking at messages from like 2020. Like, they got all my messages from 2020, y'all. Y'all, they didn't even add my sister name on here. This is what's bad about it. Like, everybody pictures are gone. They got my mama's old picture. Like, I'm gonna fix that in a minute, but right now I'm just trying to... Y'all, like, everything is gone. Like, I don't know why they got Funny Made on here. I don't have it no more. That was like 2020. Okay, some of the apps they doing good on. I still need to upload some more apps, but you know, so they got this picture, like it got the it basically updated from my 2020 when I had my iPhone 12 from 2020. So I'm gonna go around and fix some stuff up. It's really not gonna take that long for me to upload stuff, but I need to make sure my notes are intact. Okay. Yeah, they got all my notes from 2020. Wait, never mind, they adding stuff. Okay, they got all my notes in here. All right. So all my notes are uploading. Okay, it's going up. I'm like, hold on, why they got stuff from 2020? Okay, yeah, they got all my notes and stuff in here. All right, it's uploaded. Because I had to make sure. I'm like, where's my notes? Like, let me make sure. It says they still uploading stuff. So I got some of the notes. Okay. Okay, they put my college stuff in here. College, like, I got stuff for college that I need and stuff. So, like, you know. All right. So that's on there. I need to make sure my password still works. I think it's... Okay, there we go. I got in. Okay, so it's still good. It says I can use my passcode for notes. That's not what I use. So, oh shoot, I typed in the wrong thing. Okay, but my rating on this is okay. Okay, I gotta use iPhone password for this. Let's see. Did it enable it on here or what? Okay, so it's still good. So I'm gonna upload this.